Elon, I think they're trying to find our transmitter. Yep, they're circling the sycamores. I'd say about 4 clicks, sir, on the map that I'm using. Here he comes by. He's going to make another pass at it. Yeah, I can hear the little sucker. Low to the horizon. Typical scout mission. Yep. It's going to go low to the horizon again. Bam, he hit the dome. Yeah, the missile failed. Transponder's still up, sir. All right, I'll transmit the codes. Over and out. 10-4.